Okay, Padawan learners, let's do two more examples based on the same stuff. So look at the characteristics of the graph. Find those intercepts. Find those nice little vertical asymptotes. Start writing things down. So I have a vertical asymptote here. That's at a value of -1. I also have another vertical asymptote here at 4. So we can do the partial equation for that. That's, of course, x plus 1. That's going to be x minus 4. Beautiful. Remember that that's your denominator. Asymptotes always go in the denominator because those are the values that are non-permissible. Woohoo! Point to discontinuity. I don't see any blanks or holes in the graph, so I think that's gone. X-intercept, really easy. There's only one x-intercept, and that's going to be 1. So x-intercept is at x equals to 1, which means this is going to be an x minus 1. That, of course, is going to be part of your numerator. Now, check it out. Right there is your y-intercept. Your y-intercept, of course, in this case is now going to be 2. So if you think about the equation, don't forget, y-intercept happens when x is 0, y is 2, right? That's going to help us huge. Okay, now let's start writing this out. There's our numerator. Don't forget, you need a value of a up front. The a is the vertical stretch factor that is not being able to be determined from the graph. So x minus 1, there it is. There's your numerator. And your denominator is x plus 1 and x minus 4. Beautiful. Now, start using this guy. Because remember, all your x's then are zeros. Sweet. So this becomes 2 equals 2. So that's a 2. Beautiful. That's a 0. That's a 0. That's a 0. So you have your -1 up top. Okay. On the bottom, you have 1 times -4. But don't forget your a value there. Okay. Think about what you have now. -1 over -4, which is just plain old 2 equals 2. 1a over 4, because the negatives and negatives cancel out. All you have to do is cross multiply. Your a value is actually 8. Oh my God, yeah, that's huge. Okay, so now write the equation out. Y equals, don't forget your a value is 8. X minus 1, and I'm just reading it off from here, okay? On the bottom, you have your x plus 1, and you have your x minus 4. There's your equation. Now, we can go into our calculator and see if we actually get this. All right, let's try. Okay, just like before, hit alpha 1, find the numerator over denominator. So you're going to set it up as a fraction. So there's the 8 bracket. There's your x minus 1. Okay, bracket. And on the bottom, you're going to have an x plus 1, bracket, bracket, and x minus 4. And hopefully we get exactly what we had on our graph. Oh, here we go. Push the button. Oh my, we get exactly what we had. Isn't that pretty? Look at that beautiful, beautiful equation there. And then again, just supports that you're doing the right thing. If you put it into the calculator and you get that exact same equation as what they give you in a question, like right here, you know you've done something right. Stay tuned for the third and final one.